Hi friends, let me show you this new plunger that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a really nice one because it has different accessories to use it in the toilet or in any clogged pipe. Let me show you. You get the operation manual, and this is a pressure unit, okay? So you will build pressure, air pressure, and then you will fire it to unclog whatever it's clogged. Let me show you. First, you put it like this. You put this accessory here, okay? And you have a pressure gauge here. So you want to get air and pressure it in the plunger, as you can see. Let me show you. Now we have some pressure in the air inside, and then you want to use the accessory that you need. If you want to unclog a regular sink like this, you want to use this one. If you want to unclog the toilet, you want to use this one. And depends on the size of the sink, you want to use any of these, like this or like this. Let me show you. You want to put here, okay? As you can see, you are ready to fire it, okay? And you just push it a little bit and fire the air, okay? So if you had anything clogging the sink, you unclog it with this, okay? Let's build pressure again. Okay. Now, if you want to use the one for the toilet, you just have to get this accessory here inside and then connect it like this. And if this toilet were clogged, you just have to put it inside like this and fire the pump like that. Okay. So if you need to unclog a really clogged pipe or toilet, this pressure unclogger is great because it delivers a strong air flow and unclogs every pipe. Thank you.